Big is casual or everyday, and large is formal or measurable. Number one, a big mistake or a large mistake. Everyday English uses big mistake. People say there was a big mistake. Formal writers might use large, but honestly, most natives don't. Number two, a big company or a large company. Both can work, but business news prefers large company. While chatting casually, you can say big company. Number three, a big smile or a large smile. Always big smile. Nobody says large smile. It sounds like someone measured it with a ruler. Number four, a big pizza or a large pizza. Both work. On menus, you'll see large pizza. But with friends, you might say, let's get a big pizza. Number five, a big problem or a large problem. Usually big problem. Large problem feels too formal, like something in a lawyer's letter. Number six, a big amount of money or a large amount of money. The correct one is large amount of money. People don't really say big amount. Instead, they might say a lot of money. So stick with large amount. Alright, friends, that's it for today. Big is casual or everyday, and large is formal or measurable. Now it's your turn to try the extra questions and check your answers at the end. See you next time. Bye.